Other one is my relative, one of relative, lady has bad eyes and bad mouth. And when if anybody get, if a family person or any other person get good news, she used to call, oh really, wallah, like this, wallah, like this, and talking about like jealousy person. I don't know. We feel like this, and then the person getting fall down or problem from office or from the in family or something. And then we were asking from one sheikh, this is happened, what we do. And then she said, the sheikh said, tell her to make wudu, and that water give that lady to take a bath. And then it worked. It really worked. After that, the question is, lady who have bad mouth and bad eye, evil eyes, what she has to do? One person said, if she suddenly dies, she will go to Jahannam because evil eyes and evil eyes and evil mouth, you know. And then the same person said, tell her to say La ilaha illallah until get her tongue wet, always. And then it will be removed from her soul. Like
okay, okay, I got your question. Her second question, that she has a relative, and the question is, and I urge the brothers and sisters who ask questions not to prolong it. The question is very simple. A woman who gives others evil eye. So will she end up in Jannah or she will end up in hell? Giving people evil eye is a sin, like in consuming intoxicants, like dealing in riba, like going out without wearing the hijab, like backbiting. So it's a sin, it's a major sin, but it doesn't mean that a person is not a Muslim anymore. So whether she goes to heaven or hell, this is up to Allah Azza wa Jal. As for continuing to say La ilaha illallah until the day she dies, I think this is a little bit of exaggeration, because maybe she would live like 10 or 20 more years, and telling her to do this for one full day would be almost impossible for any normal person, let alone someone with an evil eye. She would be instructed whenever she sees something that she should say Tabarakallah or Allahumma barik, Allah, or Ma sha'Allahu la quwwata illa billah. But whenever she calls and uses the word Tabarakallah or Allahumma barik, this acts like a protection from her evil eye, and Allah knows best. We have Ahmed.